I want this from a man, I want that from a man. I want this from a woman, I want this from a woman. Actually, what do you really want from your woman if you are a man? And ladies, what do you actually need from your guy? Either in a relationship. Okay, let's talk about basically in a relationship. Hi.
Is deeonojas.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your favorite baby girl deeonojas in the building. If this is the first time you're coming across my video or my content, consider subscribing, as this channel is all about lifestyle, beauty and vlogs. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. And if you've already subscribed, please turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post new videos, you guys will be notified. Relationship tips and every other stuff worldwide. We're here to tell you 5 basic things a man needs in a relationship and 5 basic things a woman needs in a relationship. With me here is
Queen J in the building. Please try and subscribe to my girl's channel. Thank you.
Subscribe to my girl's channel. This is the girl that is hustling so much on YouTube. Subscribe to my channel if you're just coming in. Okay, guys, I think we need to start first with the man, because they always said men are, the man is the head, or should I say men are the head, and I don't know if women are the tail. So let's start with the man. 5 things a man needs in a relationship from a woman.
Okay, guys. I'll be talking about 5 things a man needs in a relationship from a woman. There are actually thousands and one reason. There are actually thousands reasons why men go into a relationship. But I'll be talking about 5 primary things. Number 1 is respect. Men does not joke with their respect. And number 2 is intelligence. Men love their women intelligent. And number 3 is appreciative. Men love women that appreciate them. There's a general saying that say when you appreciate somebody for what he does, it builds his ego, it enables him to do more. And men love women that are down to earth. Men love women that are correctable, women that are teachable, and men love women that will not kill their ego. Come to think of it, men don't like their ego being tampered with. Thank you.
Okay, that is actually from the men aspect. Then I'm going to be talking about the women aspect, what we need from our guys, because that is why I am sitting here for the women. Okay, number 1 thing a woman wants in a relationship from a man is faithfulness. Yeah, we need a man that is faithful. Like she has already said, we have 1001 things, because the truth is that our needs cannot be met at a particular point in time, but these are the basic or the primary things I think women need. Faithfulness. We want our men to be faithful. And another thing is God-fearing. Yeah, I think no woman will like to go get married to a man that she know quite rather is demonic or devilish, because you know at the end of the day it's either he use you for suya or he use your family for pepper soup. So God-fearing man, and when I mean God-fearing, I don't really mean you must go to church and start rabba kaka or the rest of that. That is not actually what I mean, but a man that knows God. Then the number 3rd thing is hardworking. Yes, a woman needs a man that is hardworking, because no woman will have to have a lazy man as a man in a relationship. Talk more of going to marriage is no thing. Okay, the number 4 thing is honesty. Yeah, if your yes, let your yes be yes, let your no be no. So if you're a kind of man that if you say your yes is no and your no is yes, even when you say good morning, we need to be checking our time. Problem don't come, you get. So that is number 4 thing that a woman needs in a relationship from a man. Then number 15, and which is the most prominent or the most important one, is a home builder. Yeah, women need a man that can stand up as a father, that can build up a home. Remember, there is no home that can stand, there is no building that can stand without its foundation. And since the man is the head, that means the man is the foundation of that home. So we need a man that is a home builder, a man that can say, that can be a daddy to all, be it to the wife, to the nephew, to the nieces, and equally to all the family. I think these are the 5 basic things that women need in a relationship on my own aspects.
Wow. That's excellent. That's nice.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Okay. You made mention of faithfulness. I think you made mention of faithfulness. I think that's a very key point.
Okay.
That is part that is supposed to be seen in both man and woman.
Yeah.
As a young girl, you want a man that is faithful. Come ask yourself, are you faithful? Because they say deep calleth unto deep. Are you faithful? Why would somebody that is faithful come and meet you that is not faithful? And if you're talking about faithfulness, you need to start faithfulness as a single person before even venturing into marriage. Because if you're faithful as a single person, I think you'll be faithful in marriage. Some people say, babe, leave that now. When I marry, I'll be faithful. My dear, you cannot be faithful in marriage, because what you cannot do as a single person, I don't think you'll be able to do it in as a married person. Because if you're not faithful as a single person, it will be difficult to be faithful as a married person. Because most people will always tell you things like, when I get married, I'll be faithful. My dear, it starts from singlehood. Start being faithful as a single person, and watch God do the rest.
Actually, we're not really debating this thing. Let's not look like we are debating this thing, okay, guys? And the one that really caught my attention when you were talking about what men need was that aspect of respect. Yes, there is a popular saying that said respect is reciprocal. Okay, I think the respect should not only be boiled down to the ladies, guys. I don't know if I'm communicating. If I'm communicating, can you say hallelujah? So I think the respect should not only be boiled down to the women alone. If I am respecting you as a woman, you should also be able to respect me. Because it's so uncalled for, whereby I will respect you as a man, but you as a man now disgrace me in public. You don't even respect me. You don't accord any respect. I think with time that respect will definitely diminish. That is the truth. So that respect aspect of it is very good if you actually want your relationship to work out in a general term, be it your marriage, your relationship, or every other stuff. We are actually not relationship experts, but a little respect will not take anything from you. Ladies, stop making yourself feel you are above the guy, no matter how small, no matter how short, no matter how tiny the man is. If that man is keeping you in the house, already know it that not only in the house, if that man can be able to stand bold and even ask you out, and you accept that, yes, I want us to be in a relationship, then your common sense should already tell you that you should be able to accord the duly respect. The way you're respecting your parents, give it to that man, because that is the number one thing that can take it to marriage. Then if the man is married, sorry, I know you have a lot to digest. Then if the man is married, or if this woman is married, if you guys are married couple on your own side, if you're not respecting your husband, waiting you gain. Even if you are the breadwinner of the house for now as a woman, they say one hand wash when the both hand wash each other, it can be able to be more cleaner than when one washes only itself. So you should be able to give your husband that respect. Give him that respect. Teach us, the youth, what we need to know. Teach us, your children, because any scenarios you play at home is ringing on our head. The scenarios my parents play at home is still ringing on my head. So play good scenario. Give us reasons why we should continue in marriage or relationship.
You know,
respect is reciprocal.
You know, there's some people that will actually tell their husband, if they say man come out, you will come out constant as man. That thing is very funny. I don't understand. If you feel you have sense enough to marry somebody that doesn't have sense, that means they should check you out. Do you get?
Yeah.
If you are in sin and you see a madman and go and marry a madman, you should be able to respect that madman.
Yes.
Not tell your husband, if they say men come out, you should come out. He's a man. Men don't like people that play with their ego. Their ego, like, they value their ego as if they value their life.
Yeah.
So when you tamper with a man's ego, you're like that.
You've killed him.
That's what you see. You see some people, some men beating their wife. I'm not encouraging. No matter what a woman does, you don't have any right to beat a woman, be it in a marriage, be it in a relationship. But some women push, like, they will push
him to the wall, like they are daring him. And you know, a man hates it when you dare him. Even me as a lady, if you even dare me sometime as my fellow woman, they get my body, they do me, because I am quick to reaction. So imagine when you are daring a man.
Yeah.
So I think is a really good point. Don't tamper with your man ego. And men, on my own part, women, home builder, be a home builder. When, in fact, even the aspect of appreciative, if a woman should do something, appreciate her. And as a home builder, as a man, don't be the one to scatter your family. Don't be the one to start doing what will make the woman to tamper with your ego. Yes, because some men can go extreme. And I always say it in a general terms, what you cannot deal with in relationship, don't go to marriage with it. Not a marriage man to marry him. Women, no them. I'm standing for you people here. We are not debating. If a man, for example, is a smoker and you don't like smoker, no they manage. Don't manage. It's better to have a broken relationship than a broken marriage.
Yeah,
it's better for you to be single, and don't go into marriage from a relationship. You all of a sudden you want to go into marriage because all your friends are married, all your younger ones are married. Like, if it's not working, it's not working. Make sure it is really working out for you in relationship before thinking of marriage. So I don't know if you have any extra things to add.
You should, as a woman, you should always learn how to appreciate your man, because there's a saying that when you thank somebody, there's a saying in Igbo, eke no yen and kome omekozo. When you tell your man thank you, even when he's not doing much, even when he's not meeting up to what like your expectation, but you learn to say thank you for the little one he has done, it will boost him up to do more. Even when he doesn't have, he wants to give. So let's learn to appreciate. Let's appreciate our men, no matter what the person does, no matter the small thing. When he goes out, hustle and bring home something small, you should learn how to say thank you. You should learn how to appreciate the person. It will make him to do more. It will ginger his swagger. Like it will boost, swagger the ginger. Yeah, it will boost
it is swagger the ginger. It will ginger the swagger. Anyways, guys, with all said or been done, we are not here to say your relationship is either perfect or not perfect. We're just here to, and we are not also a relationship practitioners or relationship experts, but we're just giving out of our small wisdom that we know. So guys, if you find this video so interesting, give it a massive thumbs up. Which one is affecting you in your life? Which one do you think? If you have any other contribution that you want to contribute, please link it down in the comment section. Comment for me. Which other video do you want to see? Is it about relationship? Is it like anything? Just comment in the comment section. Any other videos you will like me or you will like us to do for you. That is why we're here. Your owner to talk and our owner to carry out the tasks. So guys, I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video, or should I say in our next video?
Yeah.
I'm going to be seeing you guys we are going to be seeing you guys in our next videos, okay? And for now we have to say bye. Yeah.